Hi everyone, a quick news roundup just to tell you what's going on. First of all, we've got a report on Ruth Eastman's tweet. It's currently got 960 likes, and that was after yesterday having shot over 2,400. And just to show you what's going on, somebody recorded what was going on here on Twitter. Look at this: 1,504, 1,505, 1,506, 7. And now we're back down to 960. Thank you very much for that, Twitler. That's hilarious. Right, next thing, this article here from Business Insider. Again, just more people very confused about what Bitcoin really is. This one says, Coinbase says the entire crypto market could be destabilized if Bitcoin's anonymous creator is ever revealed or sells their $30 billion stake. Yeah, just a little bit. But, considering Bitcoin is actually a commodity and not an illegal cryptocurrency, is just basically going to reveal that these cryptocurrencies are all illegal pieces of crap anyway. So let's see what it says here. Coinbase CEO on Thursday revealed its documents for going public through a direct listing. So they're probably going to get as much money out of the public as possible before Satoshi reveals himself. In the filing, the trading platform cites Satoshi Nakamoto's identity as a risk factor. Why is that? Why would that be a risk factor? If you haven't gone and screwed up Bitcoin and changed it into the monstrosity that it is today. Why would it be a risk? The creator's cache of Bitcoin could wreak havoc on the market if Nakamoto sold their collection, and why would he do that if Bitcoin worked properly? Any answers to that? It says visit the business section of Insider for more stories. Coinbase on Thursday released documents for its public debut on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange via a direct listing. In the filing, the digital trading platform cited as a risk factor Bitcoin's creator. Why would the creator of Bitcoin be a risk factor? He created it. Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonym used by the person or group of people who created Bitcoin. The identity of the creator was revealed, or if the identity of the creator was revealed to be Craig, which it is, it could cause Bitcoin price to deteriorate according to the filing. Well, yeah, but that's because it's not Bitcoin, is it? It's Corecoin. The filing also referenced Nakamoto's personal stash of Bitcoins, which totaled over 1 million. As of February, one Bitcoin was worth $50,000. Nakamoto could negatively affect Coinbase, the company said, and destabilize the entire crypto market if the creator decided to transfer his coins to the genuine Bitcoin, which are valued at over $30 billion. The creator was the first entity to ever mine for Bitcoins, and Nakamoto's stake in the digital currency accounts for nearly 5% of the entire Bitcoin market. It's actually more than that, as there are only 21 million Bitcoins that can be mined. Coolcoin's value has largely been driven by deflationary tendencies. If 1.1 million Coolcoin were released onto the market, the digital currency price could almost surely fall. Well, yeah, I mean, that's what the Tulip Trust was designed for, so that any scumbags who have completely monstrositized BTC into what it is today can be wiped out. Similarly, Coolcoin has been praised for its decentralized nature, even though it's controlled by Blockstream, and centrally controlled by them at that as well. The currency is not beholden to any institutions or individuals, besides Blockstream. If Nakamoto was unmasked, that would place the currency under a single entity, of which it already is anyway, which would discourage traders that bought into the currency for its decentralization, of which it's not anyway. Coinbase's success is largely tied to Bitcoin's rise. In a nod to the Coolcoin creator, Coinbase listed Nakamoto as one of the recipients of its public filing. Coinbase, which is valued at over $100 billion, can attribute much of its success to that's Coolcoin and its creator, who in 2009 developed it as a first decentralized digital currency. In the years since, Bitcoin has largely dominated the cryptocurrency world. Again, it's not a cryptocurrency; it's a commodity. Rising over 400% in the past year alone to easily remain the largest digital coin by market cap. Coinbase is poised to continue to benefit from the cryptocurrency's rise. The trading platform is the largest in the US and has over 20 million users. All right, interesting. The company's founder and CEO, Brian Armstrong, referenced the invention of Bitcoin in his letter that was included in the public filing. He said here, when I first read the Bitcoin white paper back in 2010, I realized this computer science breakthrough might be the key to unlocking this vision of the future, Armstrong said. Cryptocurrency, again, it's not cryptocurrency, it's a commodity, digital one at that, could provide the core contents for economic freedom to anyone. Property rights, sound money, yeah, core coin that doesn't work, doing 7 transactions a second. Free trade and the ability to work how and where they want. Nakamoto's name first came to public attention after the white paper was released. The paper outlined the principles for a decentralized peer-to-peer digital payment system. In 2011, the creator moved on from the system, but has remained a figure of public interest, even though people are denying that it's Craig, because it is. There has been much speculation over the years on the creator's identity. Well, not really. People just don't want it to be Craig. Names like Bitcoin developer Nick Szabo, yeah, all right, mate. The entrepreneur Craig Wright, oh, there we go, that's your clue. And Tesla CEO Elon Musk, yeah, all right, have been put forward as potential creators for the currency. Well, they've got 1 out of 3 there. While it is unknown whether Nakamoto will ever choose to transfer their cache of Bitcoins, it seems unlikely the creator will ever reveal their identity. Yeah. Whatever. By maintaining anonymity, again, not anonymity, privacy, he's filed his tax return with the Australian Tax Office in 2009. They know that he created Bitcoin. Nakamoto could avoid legal consequences. The untraceable nature of Bitcoin, it's not untraceable at all, actually, that's really wrong, has also led to its use for illegal goods and services on the dark web. In January, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen called for more restrictions on digital currencies like Bitcoin because of their use in illegal financing. The unveiling would also violate one of Bitcoin's founding principles that was outlined in its white paper. If a creator was unmasked, it would pose a threat to the decentralized nature of a currency. A tenant Nakamoto put at the center of his plans for Bitcoin. That's absolutely wrong. That's really misleading. That he always intended to reveal himself. In fact, the revealing date was after the 1st of January 2020, which is when the keys to the Tulip Trust were returned to Craig Wright, who is the creator of Satoshi Nakamoto. So yeah, just goes to show you how deluded these people are, because they really don't have a clue. Just had a watch of this video. This is absolutely hilarious. Check this out. You've got to hear it to believe it.
I'm Lex Sokolin of Autonomous Research, and here's the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum.
What is Bitcoin versus Ethereum?
Bitcoin's about kind of the on-ramp into the crypto world. It's payments and it's the digital gold.
Again, talking about it as crypto and digital gold. Wrong on both counts. And it payments, what, 7 transactions a second? It takes a week.
So you can almost think of it as the crypto reserve currency. And it's spectacular at payments.
You've got to be kidding me. Spectacular at payments. Wait till he sees what the real Bitcoin could do. The genuine one, not that piece of crap he's talking about.
Whereas Ethereum is,
Oh, cheeky smile there, because he's just like, I don't really know what it is, so I'm going to talk a load of bollocks here.
The world's computing platform.
What, like we haven't got that already?
It's a blockchain platform that has smart contracts that can be built on top of it. So anything from equities to fixed income to figuring out how your drone is going to charge on an electric station, and buy your pizza, all of that can be built on top of Ethereum. So
absolutely deluded. Absolutely deluded. Ethereum moving to proof of stake. It can't scale. The entire network is fundamentally worthless. The whole thing is going to collapse. Unbelievable. So check this out for our next article. This was fantastic here by Abendum AS. It says here the MVP for triple entry accounting on blockchain is here. Abendum brings accountability back to accounting and auditing records. Try the triple entry accounting beta version powered by Unisot. This looks great. Let's have a quick look at this. Again, just beta version coming out, but very professionally done. Nice looking platform there. So again, it says here triple entry accounting. Make an audit trail, securely connect accounting records to the blockchain so they can no longer be falsified. stored permanently forever. Yeah, you can still change them, but just there'll be a record of the accounting entry. So this looks absolutely fantastic. Loving that. And then last but not least, we have got Gorilla DAO on the BSV network. Again, like just similar to the DAOs, the decentralized autonomous organizations, even though they're not actually truly decentralized on Ethereum, but just proving that everything that Ethereum can do, Bitcoin can do better. So there we go. Right, people, that'll do. Catch you later. Get paid for posting your pics on Relica. Download the app now at www.getrelica.com. Get your tweet etched on Twitch, forever on the Bitcoin blockchain. Do it today at www.jointwitch.com. BuyBSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online. Support independent content creators on micropayment platforms such as Streamanity, Twitch and Relica. We should profit from our data, not the large corporations who track, monitor and sell it. If you enjoy the Bitcoin content that I produce, please support me by heading over to www.satoshi.tv, where you can keep up to date with all the latest news, gossip and content as it's created. Thanks very much. To get started in Bitcoin, go to freebsv.com, where you can claim your free Bitcoin. Then head over to Twitter and follow @IamSatoshi, where you can take part in his very generous and world famous free giveaways.